Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Today we are going to start the class 8 NCERT Geography chapter named that is Land, Water, Soil, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Today we cover only the first portion, that is land. Land is the most important natural resources. It covers only about 30% of the land area of the earth's surface. That is 30% of land and 70% of water. The land distribution throughout the world is uneven. That means not every place is the same. We have somewhere mountains, plateaus, plains. We have forest areas which are sparsely populated. So usually the plains and river valleys are suitable for agriculture. So they are densely populated. Now, usage of land. Agriculture, we use the land for agriculture, for foresting, for mining, for building roads and houses, for setting up of industries. Now, use of land determined by physical factors. Topography, that means physical features of the earth. Soil, climate, minerals, availability of water. Now, land are of two types. Private means owned by an individual. For example, if you buy a plot to build a house, that falls in the private land. Community land, that means owned by community for common use, like collection of fodder, fruits, nuts, or medicinal herbs. It is also called common property resource. The quality of land also differs from place to place. People and their demands are ever growing. Nowadays, people and their demands are ever growing, but the availability of land is limited. Now, what are the threats to the land? Land degradation is the first threat, that meanings caused by deforestation. We are clearing the forest, we are cutting down the trees. Second point is landslides, collapse of mass of rock from a mountain. Third point, soil erosion, displacement of the upper layer of the soil. And the last point is desertification. When a fertile land becomes desert, as a result, deforestation. These are the major threats to the environment because of the expansion of agriculture and constructional activities. Now, land uses in India. Cropland is 57%, forest is 22%, pasture land is 4%, and other uses 17%. As you can see, majority of land is agricultural land, cropland, that is 57%. That's why we say that India is an agricultural country, and agriculture is a prime occupation of the Indian people. Now, how can we conserve the land resources? We can conserve the land resources by afforestation, that means grow more and more trees or plants, regulated use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers, checks on overgrazing by animals. These are the common methods used to conserve land. With this, we have come to an end of the one topic of this chapter, that is land. Now it's time to do some homework. So homework for you: collect some information and paste some pictures on A4 size paper or make a folder about changes in the land use over years where you live. Thank you and have a nice day.